Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today this is your moral science book. Today we'll learn the moral science chapter. We'll discuss the moral science chapter. This is moral science book, Being and Living, Value Education for School, written by Reverend Father John Xavier and Dr. K.S. Pandey. Uh, Today we'll learn and we learn chapter number 7, Succeeding Through Hard Work. So, succeeding through hard work, it means that hard work is a key of success. Means that if you work hard, you will be succeed in your project which you are doing. The chance of your success increase significantly when you refuse to accept the defeat and make the determined efforts accomplishing your goals. It means you have to first decide what you have to do, and then you have to do by your own. Do work hard, do hard work, and you will be getting the success. After that, you will getting the success for your hard work. Then so here the hard work together with the times it takes is a must of your journey to success. It makes you who you have to turn into in order to live the better life that's awaiting for you. What's more, the harder you work on your dream, the more confident you become. It means always if you are doing the hard work, so on that way you will be sorry, if you will be very confident for doing your work, and you will be succeed in all the times. Then together you have to while doing the hardware, together you have to take the times also, and must your take time, and according to that time you have to do your work. It means after that it your journey will be success for making this work. Then here sorry, reason why hard work is to why hard work is the key to success. The first one is it's the price you pay for what you are going to get. It means it is the price you pay for what you are going to. Means always you have to do the hard work, and after doing the hard work you will be getting the success. After getting the success, you got whatever you want, you will be getting there after doing the hardware. Then hard work helps to build discipline. Hard work helps to build discipline, which is in the beginning of your journey. You are not ready to handle the success. In the beginning of the journey, you are not ready to handle success and all the responsibilities there. This the hard work helps to build, display all the responsibility that come together with it. Then it teaches you value. It teaches you value means you learn to preserve, to find ways to appreciate all you have built, all you have, but still aim higher, to be patient, to take action instead of waiting for things to happen, to stop blaming, to take responsibilities for anything which you have or don't have in your life. It teaches you the value means you have to preserve and find the way to appreciate find the way to appreciate all you have. The find the ways to appreciate all you have, and how to complete your aim. Then always to high your always to get a higher way aim what you have to do in your life. Then you have to be patient, what you are saying, what you are thinking, what you are doing, for that you have to be patient also. Then uh, to take action instead of waiting for things to happen. It means you have to first decide and do the action. Means don't wait about the things which that means the work will be done, then after that we'll do our work. That no need to think this. You have to complete your work as time, at time only. Then uh, always stop blaming others and take responsibilities for anything which you have or which you don't have in your life. Then to make your own luck. To make your own luck means average people spend a great deal of time waiting for things happen. Means you have to make your own luck. While doing the work, you will be getting the success. So you are not supposed to wait for the right time will come, and that time we will do our work. No need to wait of this right time. You have to do, and you have to do your hard work, and you will be getting the success very soon. Then here it is mentioned here that the average people spend a great deal of time waiting for things happen. Then it gives you result. It gives you result means the best measure of anything is program, and there nothing else that brings more result on a consistent basis than hard work. So it gives the result. Then does success always follow hard work? This is the question. Does success always follow the hard work? Yes, success is absolutely about what you focus on and ensuring you use your time productively. Like this, it do the work. Then, why working hard is a key to success? Through hard work, we gain experience. It helps us discover many new things. This experience enables us to think smartly and solve a critical problem and achieve success. There is no shortcut to success. Hard work is the only key to achieving it. It teaches us discipline, dedication, and determination. For this, the hard working is the key of success. Then, does hard work beat talent? While talent is a hidden factor here, while talent is a hidden factor and something of a wild card that can be used as an edge to succeed. This is nothing without hardware. So it is a hidden talent. Then, what is the key to success? The most important of which being that there are five, not one. Key to success. There are determination, skill, passion, discipline, and luck. These are all the key to success for us. Then here, hardware means great lesson on hardware can be learned from animal world. You have to learn from that. You had heard about this one story. The birds that work tirelessly to build their nest. You are knowing now when a bird is making the nest for birds family, that then uh, the ant can consistently move about on their errands, and the bees that construct their lives and collect honey without involving in any distraction are good example to learn from. This is the hard work, and this hard work they are doing, and after that they are getting the success also. Then man, however blessed with mind and free will, he can use his reasoning power and decide to do or not to do a thing. So he may choose the work hard or while away time lazy. Here, here is therefore responsible for making use of his opportunities or for wasting time. It depends on a human being. Then hard work involves careful planning and execution. You should be clear about your aim and chalk out the proper plan for action to achieve it. So you have to first decide and then do your work. As a student, you must have a regular timetable for consistently study. So you must also make sufficient provision for leisure, play, prayer, and household work. It means that you are having a timetable for study. So you have to make the timetable for your leisure time also, that play, prayer time and household work also. Means hard work is worthwhile only when it is used for honest purpose. Only it is used for honest purpose. Planning to cheat in the exam, to steal someone's property, to fight with someone's, and to do all sorts of sinful deeds is a crime. So this type of activity, no need to do this. No need to do this is the dishonest and evil means for achieving certain goals. This is not a proper way to do a work. Then hard work must be consist of regular affair. Working as and you feel like doing the living half done, undone or long time will be lead to success. Then these are the way how to get the key to success in your life. So children, the word meaning of last chapter and this chapter word meaning and question answers I will send you as PDF for in next class. Thank you.